Hello, my name is Shivani Srivastav. Today I am going to take a topic that is related to our daily life. How daily life? That means to find out the height of the object or any width of the any river or whatever the object to finding the any other angle. Yes, I am talking about the topic that is related to one that is trigonometry. Yes, it is about trigonometry. Trigonometry comes from the three Latin words that is tri, gon and metron. Tri means that is three, gon means sides and metron means measure. Yes, trigonometry means tri that means three, gon means sides and metron means measure. It means that the trigonometry is the relation between sides and angle, because we measure the angle only. Yes, angle only. Trigonometry about the three sides. That means which three sides? Three sides forms a triangle. Yes, and it is a trigonometry. That means it is a 90 degree. We are naming the sides A, B and C. Yes, this is heighted one is perpendicular and this is base and this is height. Okay, and this is the angle that is theta. Trigonometry is about angle finding that is theta, and this is the way we denote trigonometry angle. Now, trigonometry angle, by finding the side of the, sometimes we don't have a side to find out the sides of the triangle. We use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is used to find out the side, any side of the triangle. That means hypotenuse is equals to perpendicular plus base square. Yes. Now, you will be confused how we will measure that sometimes it is given opposite. Like here angle C is the theta, but sometimes angle A is here and angle A is the theta. That means, yes, I am making a triangle A, B and C. Yes. Now, here is a theta and this is 90 degree. Opposite to the theta, that means it is perpendicular. What is perpendicular? And opposite to this one, this is base and this is hypotenuse. Got it? Now this way means wherever the theta opposite to the theta, that means it is a perpendicular and the left hand side will be the base and the right hand side will be the hypotenuse. By this is the formula, we will Pythagoras theorem, we will also find out the side. But this formula Pythagoras, we use it in a triangle or any other property. But in the trigonometry, we will come to the terms that is trigonometry ratios. What? Trigonometry ratios. Trigonometry ratios, because sometimes this is the odd one, sometimes this is the odd one formula to find out, but this formula is also used in the Pythagoras in this trigonometry chapter. But earliest one, the latest one in the trigonometry ratios that we are talking about, yes, sin theta, cos theta and that is tan theta. Now, opposite of sin theta, that means it's 1 upon cosec theta. Cos theta opposite, that is 1 upon sec theta, and tan theta opposite, that is 1 upon cot theta. Now, how we will find out the side of the triangle? Yes, by this trigonometry ratios, there is a one formula for these triangles. Now, I am taking up that is short trick, that is S, C, T, P, B, B, H, H. Now, what is this? That means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, perpendicular, base, perpendicular, hypotenuse, hypotenuse and base. But what is this? How will we find out? How will we remember this formula? Yes, Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole. That means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. That means sin theta will be denoted as P upon H. That is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now, cos theta, that is base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta, that means it is a perpendicular upon base. Now, I am taking a sine cosec theta and cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. That means cosec theta will be opposite of, because sine theta is the opposite of, sine theta opposite is 1 upon cosec theta. That means sine theta opposite, that means cosec theta. That will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Now, cos theta, that means sec theta. That means it will be a hypotenuse upon base, and tan theta, that is cot theta. Cot theta will be perpendicular base upon perpendicular. Did you get it? That means by this formula we can also find out the sides of the triangle. If there is something, if sometimes it is given that perpendicular and base, perpendicular and hypotenuse is given, then well, how will we find out the base? Base will be found out by Pythagoras theorem. Yes, this is the use of Pythagoras theorem in trigonometry. Did you get it? I hope you all understand what is the role of the trigonometry ratios. Trigonometry ratios to find out the sides of the triangle, and trigonometry will be find out the sides and the angles. Yes, I have talked